Today I'll show you how I built this custom backlit boat switch panel from scratch. Everything starts on the computer. I design it full scale, 1:1, so every hole and every label is exactly where it should be. For this panel I'm using an acrylic sheet. Then I cut the design from adhesive vinyl using a vinyl cutter. Now, peel off the protective film from the acrylic and we're ready for paint. First, automotive paint for durability, then a clear varnish for protection. After it dries, I peel off the vinyl stencil. Make sure all your holes are drilled before you add the rear vinyl layers. For the front, I used a chrome flake vinyl for that custom effect. On the back, I added a semi-transparent white vinyl to diffuse the LED light and protect the paint. Then, I built a light box using aluminum foil tape and blue LED strips. Now, wiring. I try to keep it clean. Personally, I prefer leaving a bit of extra loop instead of cutting everything short. In this build, I made sure the cables were long enough, 35 inches or 90 centimeters of 16 gauge wire, which makes neat routing much easier. Here's a night view. Blue means off, red means on. Then I switched to day-night mode, which also controls the USB and voltmeter. These two are logic switches, one for navigation and anchor lights, the other for the bilge pump. For demo purposes, I left them active so you can see the LED indications. That's it. Hope it gives you some ideas for your own panel. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to help.